Ever dreamed of cruising through the sky in your own personal flying car? Well, hold on to your seats because the future is here. Picture this, a bustling street in contemporary China, but instead of the usual traffic jams, you see something straight out of a sci-fi movie. A sleek, futuristic car gliding effortlessly through the air. Yes, you heard that right, a flying car. And not just any flying car, but the much-anticipated $156,000 marvel from China that's about to shake up the world of personal transportation. So, if you're as excited as we are about this incredible invention, stick around because we're about to dive into the fascinating world of airborne automobiles. Let's go! Flying automobiles are no longer just a distant dream. They're becoming a reality, and it's absolutely mind-blowing. Flying cars have always been the ultimate dream for sci-fi buffs and transportation geeks alike. Picture this, sleek rides zipping through the air, leaving traffic headaches far below. It's the stuff of futuristic fantasies. But guess what? Thanks to some serious tech wizardry and a big push from China, it's happening for real. But it's not just about being cool. Flying cars are about to shake up how we plan cities and build infrastructure. Think skyports and designated flight lanes crisscrossing urban landscapes. We're talking about buildings with built-in landing pads and charging stations for these airborne wonders. It's like stepping into a sci-fi flick. One of the pioneering companies in this field is Xang, which embarked on the development of electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft as early as 2013, aiming to advance the concept of advanced air mobility. Their efforts bore fruit in 2016 with the successful flight of a flying car prototype, establishing their position as leaders in the EV market. With over 1,500 successful flights, Xang has garnered international acclaim and received accolades for its innovative designs, solidifying its status as a market leader. In 2020, Xang reinforced its commitment to transportation innovation by establishing Xang AOT as a subsidiary. This move signaled their dedication to pushing the boundaries of mobility even further. The culmination of their efforts resulted in the development and successful testing of the Xang X1 and X2. However, the Xang X2 represents more than just a flying car. It signifies a paradigm shift in personal mobility. Now, this ain't your average flying car. It's a game changer. With its futuristic design and cutting-edge tech, the Xang X2 is about to flip the script on how we get around. And get this, it's not just for flying. They're built to handle the road as well. With over 90% road use capability, it's like having the best of both worlds all in one ride. Safety and staying connected are top priorities for Xang as well. With all the fancy communication systems and real-time monitoring on board, you'll feel like you're flying in the safest ride on Earth, or should I say in the sky. Equipped with state-of-the-art communication systems, real-time monitoring capabilities, and redundant safety features, the X2 ensures a safe and enjoyable flying experience for all on board. Additionally, its autonomous capabilities enable it to navigate airspace with precision, mitigating risk and ensuring passenger safety. But the real kicker? The Xang X2 isn't just about making a splash, it's about changing the game for urban travel. By easing congestion and offering a greener way to get around, it's paving the way for a cleaner, smoother ride. And with Xang eyeing global domination, who knows? Flying cars might just become the new normal sooner than you think. As we wrap up today's video, we can't help but admire the dedication and innovation driving the development of the X2. While the firm is working hard to perfect the X2 and painstakingly getting ready for its upcoming launch on the market, it's painfully aware of the numerous hurdles that are still to come. But with steadfast dedication to overcoming every challenge via the use of resiliency and creativity, the future looks promising for airborne mobility. Now, let's turn to the future of transportation. Do you believe a world with flying cars will become a reality? And what are your thoughts on the Xbang Air? Share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. If you enjoyed today's content, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more exciting updates and insights. And thanks for joining us.